So looking at this exponential equation, the bases are different but the powers are the same. So in this case, we can decide to divide both sides by any of the value. Is either the one we have on the left hand or the right hand side. So let's divide both sides by what we have on the right hand side, which is 3 to the power of k plus 2. Also do the same thing on the left hand, 3 to the power of k plus 2. Now, 3 to the power of k plus 2 divided by 3 to the power of k plus 2, this gives us a 1. This becomes 2 to the power of k plus 2 over 3 to the power of k plus 2 equal 1. And we know that if you have a to the power of 0, this is equal 1. Now what we are going to do in this, now on the left hand side, we have 2 to the power of k plus 2 over 3 to the power of k plus 2. If you have a to the power of, let's say, c, divided by b to the power of c, you can see the powers are the same, right? This can also be written as a over b to the power of c. So we're applying the same rule here. This is 2 over 3, so we'll put this in the brackets, 2 over 3. Now the powers are the same, so it becomes to the power of k plus 2. So this equal, now let's take the same base here, which is 2 over 3. You take it to the power of 0, that still gives us this one, right? Now we've made the bases the same. What we do now, we equate the power, so this becomes k plus 2 equals 0. So we subtract 2 from both sides. We have k plus 2 minus 2 equals 0 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancels out. We have k equal 0 minus 2, which is negative 2. So the value of k that satisfies this exponential equation is minus 2. So see you in my next one.